So we start off today's video with this major hair transformation. Into this short pixie undercut mohawk style. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, haircut ideas, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. Loving this platinum bob makeover. That looked absolutely insane with her makeup, so pretty. And then we see someone with very long hair. Looks like the stylist is putting in like the butterfly haircut, adding in some color. And bam, beautiful rose gold money pink highlights in the front. Absolutely loving this color and cut combination. Her hair looks so voluminous and pretty. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful money piece highlight look switch up. Blonde in the front, red in the back. Then we have another big haircut transformation. It's like the stylist might be doing a bob for this one. Wow, I love the color, the texture, everything. Absolutely gorgeous. And she did get more of like a pixie bob. Such a fun, chic style. And then we have someone dyeing their hair. So it looks like she's going with like a bold red. Wow, that color looks so pigmented. So she kind of created her own formula here for the coloring. There is the before, and wow, look at the after. This color is like spot on, the perfect shade of red. Ooh, another gorgeous platinum hair transformation. Beautiful bob haircut with the curtain bangs. And then we have another bob haircut transformation for the next one. Wow, look at that dramatic line. This is so beautiful. Nice tousled waves, creating that tousled bob shape. Very pretty. Oh, blue money piece highlights. Rocking the undercolor trend. This is gorgeous. Love this transformation. Her hair looks amazing. So let us know in the comments below which hair transformation in today's video has been your favorite. I gotta say, I'm loving all the bold colors, the one with the blue and the red. So many fun hairstyle ideas to try out this season. So next up, we have another bob haircut transformation. Oh, actually, it looks like she might be going with like the layered haircut trend. Oh, very nice. Really added a nice amount of shape and texture to her hair. Nicely done. So I hope that you guys were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you felt inspired, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.